See, I'm just like a little frog just floating around. I'll have to wait till this calms down, this water.
I told you I put a lot of chlorine in it.
Well, I just can't take that on my skin. I don't want to. I'd have to sleep with it all night. Okay. Look at me, Mama. Look at me, just so comfortable in this water. Coming around behind me?
She really likes it.
You ready to rest now? Okay. Okay.
The look on her face is just so peaceful.
It's placid. Yeah. There you go. Do you want me to call Petco about taking her down there for Friday morning? Okay, you ready to get out? You ready to get out? You ready? Alrighty, here we go.